whoever's watching this video, I hope it's gonna help you to learn how to be flawless without paying for it.
Not for discussion, bitch, I already know I'm popping. You see me out, then I'm probably out shopping. Don't say a word, love, bitch, you too talkative.
I'm so excited for this video because I'm teaching you guys how to put on individual lashes.
You're gonna be saving money because I know people that pay like 700 rand, but my 700, 500 to get their lashes done. So you're gonna be saving money.
All you're gonna need is this pack of lashes. By the way, you can get like cheaper lashes. I bought these other lashes from China Mart and they're like 20 rand and they're the nice long ones. Yeah, this is what it is. Yeah, so as you can see here, this is long, medium, and short. These ones are gonna be by the end, and these ones somewhere in the middle, and then close to the beginning. This is Eylure. I hope that I'm pronouncing it right. And I've never used this one. This range is from Clicks. It was 80 rand. So it comes with this, which is the lash remover, and then this, which is the glue. I think it's so important to get adhesive, right? I got this from Sweetheart, by the way. It's like 40 bucks. And it works well, trust me. Like, it doesn't even chow your own lashes. It doesn't eat your lashes. I really like this glue, so I'm sticking to it. This is the one that I got. I just like the fact that when it dries really nice. With this one, I once used it on a client. This one, and it was a Kiss brand, not Eylure. It was the Kiss brand. And I used it and it looked like you could see the glue. So I'm gonna use the adhesive because I like it. So just make sure that you wipe out your eyes before you do this. I just use the backpack of the adhesive of this. I just put it here. So this is dried up stuff now, but I'm still gonna use it because yeah, we can get started. Enjoy the video. All right, so you're gonna take your lash strip, sweep it through the glue, and then place it by your eyelash. Make sure that you're lifting your eye up gently, and yeah, you're placing it by your eyelash. Make sure that you're doing the underneath method. I have a mirror in front of me, so I'm looking down at the mirror and not at the camera because I can't see what it looks like on the camera, you know. Then I would have been placing the lash in my eyeball, you know, like, no, we don't want that. I couldn't show you guys properly and I apologize for that, but I'll try my best to show you as clear as I can. When you're sweeping the lash through the glue, make sure that you're also sweeping the back of the lash because you don't want the glue to get into your eye and then it's gonna cause problems for you. But by the way, it's just a little disclaimer warning for you. The lash adhesive or any lash glue in general just burns. It burns, so that's why you need to also sweep up the back to avoid that burning sensation. But generally the glue has a smell to it and a very strong feel to it, so like if you have sensitive eyes, I really do apologize, but then maybe you should get it done professionally if your eyes are really sensitive. But it shouldn't be that big of a problem if you sweep the back. So just make sure that the sweeping the back thing actually happens because we don't want any issues. Lift it up with a tweezer in case it's not in place or it's just not in the right position, and continue. Oh, make sure that you leave gaps in between because then you're gonna be leaving space for the glue to dry on the one lash that you put there. So it just makes the whole drying process easier because let's say it falls off, it will fall off altogether as a strip and you don't want that. So to avoid that, you must make sure that you're leaving gaps in between. And yeah, Oh, and if you don't want to leave gaps in between, just alternate between the eyes. Yeah, just put a lash on your left eye and put a lash on your right eye. That's what I mean. So just go along with that process if it's too difficult for you to leave gaps in between. Okay guys, we almost done. Okay, so these are the medium ones. So I'm gonna put the medium ones when we get like here, because we're here now. So somewhere there. If you only have one length, you can still do lashes, so just put the same length everywhere. It makes life so much easier. But I wish I was a guy. Good luck with this video or your process of putting lashes on. I wish you all the best. Give it a thumbs up so you can get back to the video. Like there, I'll add the small lashes here. I'm gonna take the short ones and do that. Alright. If you want it to look natural, then you can keep it like this. I want it to have like more volume. So because we only have a few left, like anyway, you can just add these, stack from the bottom, not the top. So carry on at the bottom, but then you see here there are gaps there that I can fill. So that's what I'm talking about when I say don't be shy. Just play along with your eyes and just see where you want it to be stacked up. Anyway, have fun and do it. Anyway, if you need to refill your glue, just go back and refill. Yeah, I know that this process looks a bit painful when I'm doing it, but it's really not painful at all. I mean, I'm just trying to see my lashes properly, so that's why I'm doing it, but it's honestly not like that really. So yeah, you don't even need to lift your eye the way I did. Honestly, it does look a bit scary, but I'm sorry if it does. If it bothers you, I'm so sorry. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Okay, just try your best to do lashes on your own, and I encourage you, all girls, and even if you're a guy watching this video, just pass the message down to your mom, to your sister, to your girlfriend, you know, like anyone. Over, take care of you. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Yeah, thank you so much, and please make sure that you like this video, you subscribe to my channel, and you turn on your post notifications, because the girl's not done. Sorry, I'm eating gum and it might look a little bit ratchet, but you know. See you in my next video. Bye guys.